Hello everyone, friends. You definitely haven't tried such eggplants with chicken and tomato sauce. I'll show you now. Prepare all the ingredients. Use larger eggplants with dense flesh so that they can be conveniently stuffed. Instead of chicken thighs, you can take fillets. In this recipe, 350 grams of chicken meat without bones was needed. Choose hard cheese at your discretion, the main thing is that it melts well. Rinse the eggplants well, dry them with a paper towel and cut them into slices 1 cm thick with a knife, without cutting to the top edge of about 2 cm. Do not cut the green tails, it will be more beautiful when serving. Sprinkle each cut lightly with salt. Leave for 30 minutes to drain excess juice. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Lightly squeeze the eggplants from excess liquid. Cover the baking dish with foil or parchment. Lubricate the eggplants on all sides and inside with vegetable oil using a brush. Put the eggplants in a hot oven and bake for 25–30 minutes at 180 degrees. They should become soft. The baking time depends on the power of the oven and the size of the vegetables. Now prepare the tomatoes. Wash them. Make a cruciform incision on top. Put the tomatoes in boiling water for 30–40 seconds. Transfer the tomatoes to cold water. After these procedures, it is very easy to remove the skin. Grate the peeled tomatoes or chop them with an immersion blender. Peel the onion and cut into small cubes. Heat a little oil in a frying pan, add the onion and fry for 4–5 minutes on low heat, stirring with a spatula. Wash the thighs and dry them with a napkin. Remove the skin. Separate the chicken meat from the bone, cut into small pieces and add to the onion in the pan, mix. Cook the poultry meat for about 5 minutes over low heat, stirring. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and mix. Simmer all together for about 8–10 minutes over moderate heat, so that almost all the liquid evaporates. Peel the garlic, cut into cubes or pass through a press. Adjust its quantity to your liking, add garlic to chicken meat in tomato sauce. Season to taste with salt and ground pepper. Stir and simmer for 4–5 minutes over low heat. Remove the baked eggplants from the oven. Stuff all the cuts with meat filling using a teaspoon. Sprinkle the stuffed eggplants with dried oregano on top. Grind the hard cheese on a grater and sprinkle it over the eggplant. Put the eggplant with chicken and cheese in the oven and bake for 10–15 minutes at 180 degrees. Eggplant with chicken and tomato sauce is ready. Eggplants can be served on their own with fragrant herbs or in addition to a vegetable or cereal side dish. Enjoy your meal. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your attention.